Hey guys, Bobby here from Chiro H3 Lower North Shore, and today I want to talk to you about shoulder pain. More specifically, what is something that we can do to help when it comes to shoulder pain? How can we find a solution, and how can we find ultimately a long-term solution? We know that when it comes to the shoulders, one of the important things we need to work out, first of all, is what the cause of the issue is. And obviously when we go through and do the extensive testing, once we can identify what the cause is, one of the things that we can do is then select and design the specific exercises that are required in your condition in order to restore and reset the shoulder. A lot of the things that we do in everyday life is in front of ourselves, and so the shoulders do tend to round forward. We get this hunchy posture. Worst case scenario, we get that bump that forms on people's necks, and we know that that really predisposes us to shoulder issues. So one of the things that we can do is we can select the specific exercises based on all your tests and scans and x-rays that will really target your shoulder condition and will really get your shoulder condition under control long term. There's a plethora of exercises out there, but you need to know which are the right ones for you and which are the ones that are going to give you a long-term result. So if you found that useful, or if you've got questions, guys, post them in the comment section below. If you'd like to get a proper assessment and work out what's the root cause of that issue and why does it continue to reoccur, or why has it started in the first place, contact us, guys, or private message us and we'll make sure that we get in touch with you. Until next time, have a fantastic day.